I'm Chris. I'm from Inappropriate Donkey Hole. I'm working with David, who you might have saw earlier. We got different resin, PLO printed. We got a charity bin going on. Some of it goes for kids with cancer and other immune systems. Others go to my bank account. We do things like dice towers, little ornaments to hang around the house, salt holders, can holder, battery holder at the back. We got dice towers, boxes, and we even got magnets. We even got little dice boxes here. These are recycled butterflies. And we've got recycled skulls. All made from the old broken and offcuts. We have got funny Buddhas, we've got treetops and Christmas decos. And necklace. And we also got this random pepper grinder. That was made by a veteran who wanted to get rid of it. We also got this Hulk is a phone iPad holder. So you can either use them for your phone or iPad, or I'm using it for a bookmark for some reason. We also got a shotgun Viking ship. That's kind of going on a magical adventure with some seals and two rabbits. We got a money box. We got a Back to the Future dice tower that glows in the dark on the clock. We got some magnets in the back there, the crosses and Inquisitor badge. We got Conan the bust and some dog busts, a coffin skull box, and a secret dice tower for rolling your dice in secret, especially when the dice sometimes disappear, but then it's a mystery. And that's pretty much it on my table.